All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see if we can do a couple push-ups. Ziggy, move. Huh. Here, Ziggy. Here. Go get your toy. I didn't say fetch. Move. Let's see if we can knock us a couple push-ups out this morning. Nothing major. Just something simple. Aviana. Stand right there. Let me do my push-up. Let's see if we can just get us a couple push-ups. This is yours. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's get these push. Here, that's yours. Okay, there you go. Huh? You hold it. I don't gotta do my push-ups. Huh? That's yours. Okay, Ziggy, here. You get your toy. Go that way. Aviana, get out the refrigerator. Ziggy, move. Aviana, you the one in the refrigerator? Ah! Don't bite my hand, Ziggy. You just had one. This was yours. You just had this one. Huh, child? I'm trying to do push-ups. Ain't nothing funny about that. Okay, you gonna move so I can do my push-up? You gonna move so I can do my push? Ziggy. Y'all, I'm just trying to do a few push-ups. Stay out the refrigerator. Ziggy, stop biting my hand. Scoot over. Right there. Ziggy, huh? Get your toy. Go that way. Goodness gracious. Aviana, you just hit me in the face with your... Ziggy, stop biting my hand. Can I? You gonna let me do push-ups? Aviana, why is you sitting up under me? I just want to do 50 push-ups, that's all. I just want to do 50 Whew. I got one bite in my hand. I know. I just give up. I ain't gonna do no push-ups today. Forget the push-ups.